Hello, and welcome back to One Hot Bite. Happy Thursday to you. And actually today is my dad's birthday. My dad actually passed away in May, but I have to attribute all my success today and every day in the kitchen. My dad taught me to never be afraid to experiment in the kitchen, never be afraid of any ingredients, and most of all to enjoy really good food. So, salut. Happy birthday to my dad. Now let me introduce you to today's meal. I'm super excited about this one because it fits so many of the food groups that we have talked about. So this is all you game changers out there should be excited about this. It is a meatless dish, completely meatless. If you're vegetarian, this is right up your alley. Mediterranean, I got you. And also we can border on the vegan side. The only thing that has in it is feta cheese, which you can totally omit from this recipe, and you now have a vegan meal. So we are gonna make a chickpea panzanella salad. For those of you that have never had one, this is a great treat because this is delicious. And if you want to add meat to it, you can add a fillet of tilapia on the side, a fillet of salmon, whatever you want. Although this does have 347 calories per serving in this. The recipe that's down below is for 5 servings, so beware of that. But this is super delicious, super yummy, hits all the flavors, it's super fresh. We're coming into spring. Thank you. And so this is a great meal. Let's celebrate and enjoy this delicious recipe. We're going to throw this together really super fast. Remember to subscribe. I have new stuff coming every single week, and I'm hitting every different food, genre, style, anything's delicious. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and definitely comment below. I love hearing from everybody, and thank you to everyone who has subscribed so far. I love you all. This is great. So we're going to get started really super quick. Let's go. That one happens so absolutely fast. You can see how quickly that comes together. And there's zero preparation. It's a great summer meal. You don't have to turn on your oven and heat up the house or anything like that. And we have a delicious chickpea panzanella salad. So good. Make sure you tune in next week. Next Thursday, we're gonna have another great recipe. Love you guys. And that there is another hot bite from One Hot Bite. We'll see you guys next week.